Hello everyone, welcome to episode 12 of our channel Fazda Homes. We thank those who have subscribed, and with your support we have now crossed the 100 subscribers mark. We do appreciate you so much. However, more than 90% of our viewers have not yet subscribed. Kindly do us the honor by subscribing. It is your way of encouraging us to bring you more content. In this episode, we will first bring you the material quantities and the labor cost for burglar-proofing 16 windows for the outhouse and the security post. We will then bring you the challenges that we faced with the burglar-proof windows fabricator. Now let us look at the materials that we purchased. We decided to go the precautionary way where my brother will buy the materials and the fabricator will charge us for his labor. This was one way of ensuring that galvanized steel was used for the burglar-proof. We bought 41 pieces of 50 by 25 galvanized steel pipes and 43 pieces of 3/4 of an inch galvanized steel pipes. The drilling of the pipes costed us 460 Ghana cedis. Paint and painting was 800 Ghana cedis, and the labor cost for the 16 burglar-proof was 2,000 Ghana cedis. This brought the total cost to 8,925 Ghana cedis. The design we chose was quite a simple one, and our goal was to have them installed before plastering. We were quite impressed with the fabricator because within 2 weeks of contracting the burglar proofing out, he had already made them, wrapped them nicely and delivered to our site. He sent us a video after the delivery and even went the extra mile to place each burglar proof at where it's supposed to be installed.
For my casa, for my entry, amazing.
A few days after the delivery, we sent money to my brother to buy extra materials needed to make 2 sliding doors and wall inserts. If you have been following our channel, you know that we have 2 entrances to our project. One that is closer to the security post and the other one that is directly beneath the outhouse. And for the wall inserts, we only needed them for the front section of the fence wall. At this stage, the mason had started plastering the house and were eager to install the burglar-proof windows. Luckily, my brother-in-law went to the site, and this is what he saw with 2 of the burglar-proof that were installed. There were gaping holes at the welded ends. This should have been putty filled and sanded nicely. So to put it mildly, the finishing was a big disappointment. Unfortunately, we had already bought and delivered to this guy the extra materials that was needed for the doors and the inserts. So I called him and respectfully registered my displeasure at the poor finishing. He apologized and agreed to transport back the burglar-proof and rework the finishing. He also promised to do a much better job with the gates and the wall inserts. I sent him the picture in your shot to indicate what I expected from him, and so he had to redo all the works that he had done and send me an accompanying video to indicate that everything had been done according to my expectation.
Yeah, good evening, manager.
Will I give the fabricator other jobs or will I recommend him? I will say it depends on how my gates and the wall inserts come out. However, one thing that I like about him is that he did not give excuses and accepted that the work was poorly finished. What would you have done in my situation? So my tip number 1 for today's episode is that when you are building from abroad, you must have 1 or 2 people who visit the site regularly. Without the extra pair of eyes, the pictures and videos will not have identified the poor finishing. So you need to have boots on the ground, people that you trust who will go to the site and encourage the workers to do the right things. My tip number 2 is to treat the workers with respect. Most of them are very understanding and accommodating if you show them the respect. We will bring you the fabrication of the 2 sliding doors and the wall inserts in episode 13 next week. As usual, we cannot end this episode without thanking our returning subscribers. And for those who are watching our channel for the first time, we kindly ask you to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching to the end.